She bad, hair done, nails done, all in her bag. She walking around with a lot of money cause she bad.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So clearly today is a vlog, and I wasn't gonna start it off with me looking crazy like this, but I only did so y'all could see, like, I'm about to wash my hair and stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all because I thought that might be interesting. I don't know, but anyway, so I just had some needless mark braids in. If y'all haven't seen if y'all want to see those, go watch my last video, check that out. So I did them myself. Yep, all the way down to the knee. Yeah, that bitch. So I did those, and I took those out, but I haven't washed my hair yet. I haven't even brushed it out yet. So I'm like, let me get the camera.
So y'all, because this stuff is dirty. And before I put those braids in, I ended up like chilling my hair. I cut it myself. Because, I don't know, just bored. So yeah, I cut it myself. And I think about down my hair. I don't know, I'm kind of scared. Oh, my hair is nice and healthy. But I also want color. I know I can always get color with weave, but I don't know, it was just like, I want special color. But when I put it up in the blend, like, that's really cute.
And I got this deep condition packet so I can put in my hair, because you all see it needs some type of life. And I was thinking that I was gonna put egg and mayo, but I don't really think I'm gonna do that no more. I think I'm gonna just deep condition it and yeah, see how that work out. Ooh. The naps, baby. Okay, y'all, so I just got out the shower, but I just wanted to come back on here because I put the mask in my hair. And hold up, as y'all can see, my curl pattern is getting back there. I'm trying to get it to come back. It's kind of coming back, but it's not all the way back, so I gotta keep working. So I rinsed that out anyway. I rinsed that out, and I always put conditioner in my hair just to have it in there so it can be soft and stuff. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hair. On my ends. So I'm doing my bun, right? Look at this. Hope y'all can see it. Let me see. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh yeah, y'all can't see. Y'all see this? Now this look cute, and I really should leave it like this, but I'm not, because I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to head out, kinda in a rush. As always though, because I always think I got time, and I'll be taking my time and then I run out of time. This is me. And you're about to go. I haven't even told y'all what we're doing today. I gotta grab this jacket because it might be freezing cold outside. I don't even know. Gotta grab my purse, y'all. Hold on. Put the Apple Watch on. Y'all know the vibes. Alright, y'all. It's time to go. Whew. Come on, y'all. My household in the background. This is Zoe, for those of you who are new. My lovely dog. Come on. She a good doggy. She know it's time to get her ass right on in the back. Go ahead. All right, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all. Oh, shit. See? This is why I can't do this. All right, y'all. So, we are in the car. Be quiet. We are in the car. About to go get our phone fixed. Shut the... Let's make sure we got our card. That's like hella important. I gotta drive. Okay, so let me tell y'all. So, I don't know where I could sit y'all at. This is always the problem, dude. I hope y'all can see. Can y'all see? Let me see. If y'all can see. I don't know. Anyway. So, I have to go get my screen fixed. But the place I'm getting my screen fixed at is freaking 40 minutes away, y'all. Like, oh my God. Because y'all know this stupid ass coronavirus got every place in the city closed. Like, it's ridiculous. And I really need to stop and get some gas before anything. Okay, y'all, so I'm at the gas station. I'm at the gas station, y'all, and we're about to get some gas, clearly, because why would I be at the gas station? But about to get some gas. Oh, this is cute. I'm so sad because I hate putting my own gas, for one. Two, I hate paying for gas, but it's whatever. It's whatever. That's what you gotta do. Okay, so y'all want a car, y'all get in the car or anything like that, just be prepared to always have to put gas in it. Like, oh my God. Anyways, move away. Move. She's so bad, y'all. I would not lie. Okay. Y'all, so I'm gonna press this. That's how you get the gas to pump itself. Look at this fucking badass dog. Like, Zoe, move. I might be getting a new phone today. I hope I do. I like really hope I do. So I hope so. I hope so. This freaking tank, y'all. So y'all know since we on quarantine or whatever, my freaking bra strap keeps showing. I hate that. And I got an eyelash in my eye. Oh my God. Anyways, y'all know since we on quarantine. Oh my God, y'all, the lash is right here. Y'all, I can't get this fucking eyelash. Anyway, let's see how much it took to fill up. Oh, look, y'all. So, like I was saying, y'all know. Since we on fucking quarantine, the gas is hella cheap, y'all. So it just took move. So it just took $15 to fill up the tank, cause gas is only like $1.29 or something. Out here, back at my house, it's like fucking $50. No, I'm just playing. But it is hella cheap out here. We'll put the shades back on. Please don't fall on camera. I'm scared. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. I fucking knew it. Let's go though, y'all. I'm gonna sit y'all up so y'all can see. Look, oh look, y'all. At the gas, $1.28, okay? Period. Get y'all some motherfucking gas. Okay, y'all, so I just dropped my phone off. And I'm hella mad because I thought it was gonna be the same day. No, tomorrow I have to come back tomorrow to fix it. I mean, to pick it up. Like, who the fuck don't want their phone? That's annoying, but it's fine. It's whatever. So I didn't know that they were gonna do that, because if I did, I would have brought somebody out here with. Hold up. Hold up, back the fuck up. Because if I would have, look though, if I would have knew, I would have brought somebody out here with me. Y'all, I'm so mad. I mean, I'm not even like so mad, but I'm like salty because why though? Like, why? But it's fine. I don't even have I don't have a GPS to get back home, but we're gonna go based off of memories. So we're gonna see how this go. I want something like, I don't know, but I want something like sweet but not sweet, food but not food. And I don't really want like a drink. I don't really know what I want, y'all, but I know I want something. So this song made me want to be like, I'm sipping on links to our phone. Here we go. This is that beat. Hey, uptown. Come here, give me high five. Yeah, no question about it. We gon' ride over. We hit that ooh. They say you so smooth, yeah, you so fly. And then we hit the whoa. Hit the boat, they begging for some more. We been that low and hit the road. I top my bullets, rock and roll. I be the littlest one inside this party, don't matter. Guess who found it, y'all? Guess who found it? Me. Y'all might as well call me GPS Miss. The fuck? Look, y'all, what y'all see? What the fuck y'all see? Y'all see a motherfucking Target. And that's because what? That's because what? Okay, period. Y'all don't know how happy I am right now because I literally had no GPS, y'all. Literally. And I'm not from the west side. I'm not from the west side at all. I barely be over here to be known on the streets off the back of my hand like that, y'all. Especially from where I was at. I had to figure out from where I was at. And I almost gave up. And guess what we found? Target. Period. Period. I'm happy. Y'all, look. I found motherfucking Target. Okay, y'all, I'm in Target looking at the purses, y'all. And this little purse right here, it's kind of like plain, but it's real trendy. Like, I've been seeing it a lot. Okay. Right here. I don't really know. How do you feel about that? We don't know yet. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so I really came to Target to look at the makeup. But the problem is, where do we start? Where do we start? So I'm in the e.l.f. section. But I don't really know if I should get e.l.f. or like NYX. Cause I don't really know, y'all. I don't know. We just about to look. Okay, y'all. So the problem is I need a matte finish foundation because I got oily skin. And I can't find one that I can't find either Elf or NYX that has one. So I don't really know. I'm gonna keep looking. See, maybe I should just get a regular foundation and then I don't really know. Okay, so right now, oh, y'all cannot even see me. Okay, so right now I'm in the graphic tee area in the men's section, trying to find me an oversized shirt so I can make an outfit. I found this one right here. This Naruto. I like the orange on it, but I don't think that this is big enough. I want to make it like a shirt dress. I don't know. I kind of want it bigger. I like this one. This is an extra large. And I like this one. This is an XXL. This one cute. I don't know. I think I might try it on to see which one I like better. Because I don't really know. And then they got these right here. Which is plain. I like stuff with like, I need something with like color. Like this got a little bit of color. Just a little. And they only got an XXL. I like these. I like this one right here. This cute. This is cute. Ooh, I like this. This is cute. That's cute. Okay, y'all, I didn't get anything because nothing was really like catching my drift. I wasn't feeling none of that, so I wasted all my knowledge. I wasted it. I wasted everything for nothing. But you know what? It's okay. Let's see what Zoe doing. Hey y'all, so it's like okay, it's 7:16. I haven't talked to y'all since about 2 o'clock, but all I did was go to sleep. Now I'm back out. About to go get some food, but first I'm Uber Eating to make some money on this quarantine. See, I got somebody order right here. I'm waiting for the other order, and then we gotta drop that off, and then we're going to go get some food because I'm hungry, y'all. I be wanting to talk about personal stuff on my channel because I know, like, I don't really know who watching me yet. That's the thing. Like, I don't want to talk about stuff because I don't really know who watching me, and like, I don't want to be wasting my breath because I want to talk to people who could relate or like who going through the same stuff or whatever. So I'ma just wait to even open my mouth about that, about just stuff, y'all. But it's a lot of stuff I just need to get off my chest, y'all. It's just like, life is hard. Like, life is really hard, especially at this age. You trying to figure out what's your purpose here. Some people already know. Some people blessed and already know and got like successful shit going on. But like for others, you gotta try to figure out like what you here for. What's your purpose? Yeah, you got goals and shit, but are you really going to accomplish those goals, or do God got another plan for you? I don't know, y'all. It's just, everything is just so crazy to me. I'm just here. I'm just living day by day. I'm trying to figure everything out, y'all. I don't know. That's another topic for another video. Put my shades back on. But yeah, my brush tab keeps showing. I hate that. But I ordered me this stuff off of Amazon, y'all. I can't wait till it come. I want to tell y'all about it so bad, but like I just said, I don't know who watching me, and I don't have enough supporters yet to just be putting all my ideas out there. I gotta get it going. More. He had a sushi roll and shit.
Spicy crab.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna tell him it's correct. Here.
Okay.
He better be happy.
This is our second order. Now we about to start going to go drop it off. Talk to y'all in a minute.
You know you ain't fixing this.
So, sit.
You know you ain't
There.
fixing this.
Yo, I'm at Pet Supplies. Dead as hell. Who was open? You sick of me? Okay, let's test. Is Zoe a good dog? You always say she's so bad. Now she don't know where she at, and she don't have no leash. So I'm gonna put her down. All right, come here, Zoe. Come on. Oh my God, it's a car.
Go.
Stop. Come on. Good girl.
You have to tell me who had to call her. I got it, y'all. This is Sharon's order.
Okay, y'all, so she got the food. Now it's time to deliver it. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all can see me. I got some things. Okay. I could barely even see it.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
Okay, y'all, I'm back home now. I'm about to put on some Netflix, some All American. I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I don't know if it should be.
Bring it in.
I don't really know. So we're gonna see. Okay, y'all. So it's like, I don't know what time, but it's nighttime, and I cannot go to sleep for some reason. I really don't know, but I forgot that. I forgot I've been wanting to do a mask on my face because I don't know, man. I need a mask on my face. So I got this mask right here. Shea Moisturizer Mud Mask. Nothing special. I'm just about to put it on my face. But y'all know I gotta show y'all stuff. I think I want to do a mukbang, but I don't know what I want to talk about. I want to do a seafood mukbang, but I really don't know what I want to talk about. I was thinking about doing a Q&A, but then I really don't want to do a Q&A. Then I was thinking about doing a story time. If y'all my old subscribers and y'all been here, y'all know my story times used to go. Like, they used to be lit. Y'all know about them. But I deleted them all because I felt like, I don't know, one day I got my mood and I just feel like those was just childish and messy. Because when I tell stories, y'all, I'm just so extra, like, I just be all into it. So I deleted them. But I'm going to refilm them and I'm going to repost them. If y'all want me to. People love those. Somebody just commented on my video the other day about it and asked me to bring them all back. So, hey girl, because I see you still sticking around. Hey girl. But, yeah, so if y'all want me to do some story time, just let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Because, I don't know. Y'all don't talk to me. Some of y'all do. Some of y'all do. So, yeah. Alright, so we got our mask on. And now I'm just about to let this sit. While I guess I'm going to start editing this vlog. There's no reason to keep it going until tomorrow. So, yeah. Talk to y'all when it's dry.